All right, where can we see AMC trading by the end of this year? Especially as we are, December 23rd now, and we're 8 days away from the end of 2021. 2021, which by the way has been the I'm sorry. It's really been the witness of something tremendous we never seen before on Wall Street. The meme stocks, a symbol of retailers crushing the smart money, crushing the professionals, crushing the experts on some of the stocks that they were trying to push down. All right. So if you are trying to ask yourself, where can we see AMC trading at the end of this year? The right answer, right? The right answer and the most accurate one is it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's at 28 on December 31st. It doesn't matter if it's at 35. It doesn't matter if it's at 72. All right? It just doesn't matter. You know why? Because everything has already been folded. Everything has already been completed. Everything is already falling into place. The stars are already aligned, and it's just a matter of time for this stock to pop. And by popping, I'm not talking about going to $100 a share. No, I'm talking about going to unimaginable highs. Not my words. You know whose word it's, all right? So just to say that, don't worry about the share price. I'm not worrying about the share price. You know what? Because since January, I haven't sold my AMC shares. It went to $72 a share, and I was making a ton of money as then. It went down to $23 a share. I was still not selling because I was still positive. Maybe not as much as I was back in June 6th, but because I know it's worth holding for now because I'm waiting for a way better life-changing money. All right. So I really stopped kind of chasing the share price on AMC. I do that with some other stocks, because they are not AMC. But again, it depends if I'm investing on the long term, on the medium term, or I'm just day trading or swing trading those stocks, But as far as AMC goes, I already share with you on these guys. AMC is like my safe haven. I don't care what happens with, the market. I don't care what happens with other stocks. But as far as AMC goes, I'm just letting it sit there on my account, because I know I'm one of the early apes on this. All right. I'm not saying this to brag, just saying this. I'm pretty sure I'm got some real shares on my brokerage account with Fidelity. Based on this, so I'm not worrying if it goes back down to 10, because the reality of the matter is the short sellers have lost. They lost back in June, they lost back in summer, they lost back in November. And when you look at the numbers on where AMC is doing as a company, as a business, with people going back to theaters, I mean, have you looked at Spider-Man numbers? This is the third... This is, man, don't let me start with that. It means whether short sellers want to cover now or in 6 other months, they are already screwed. And because of that, it doesn't matter if AMC trades at 28 or 15 by December 31st, the end game and the end goal is the same. They are screwed, and when they cover, I get to collect the attendees. And when I collect the attendees, I'm going to change because my bank account will change.